Hello students, this is Mrs. Camdar. This is assignment 010, so 010. We are learning about cells now. So we're all done with systems and we're kind of done with systems, and we're going to start with cells and look at the cell as a system itself. And cell is a tiniest part of a living thing. Okay, so you will open your digital notebooks, and what you will do is in your notebooks you will be we're starting cells, and we're going to be looking at pond water and make observations of that and record that observation here. And any questions that we have about the pond water, which we're going to be doing in Nearpod, we will be putting our observations here for pond water. So we will be doing a Nearpod together as a whole class, which is right over here, and we're going to start off with pond water, and then after we're done with Nearpod, you're going to go into your notebooks and you are going to write down your observations here and any questions you may have about pond water. All right, so that's it for assignment 010. I will be logging off now. Bye.